Welcome to all.
Welcome to all.
We are going beach.
Actually, I am doing two type of videos. Every log video I plan to do for two language. One is for English, one is for Tamil. Because some people they want to my video they want to they don't know Tamil. That's why they want to convey from English also. Then one guy is requested me. He want to do more videos for English also. That's why Gugan.
Yeah.
Now today we are going to beach. Gugan very like Alvakra beach.
I'm going to catch fish in there. I think so. I'm going to catch fish and crab. But in my home there is guppy fish. But 8 fish died. But I have still fish. But I am going to catch little fish. Then I can get more fish. But I'm not keeping the same tank in the guppy fish. Then that fish will eat all the guppies. Then I'll keep in one.
What happened? Why the fish are die? Gugan, can you tell?
Because it can't breathe, so we need to open. Then it can breathe very much. And if we close, it can't breathe because air will not come outside. Then we need to open the fish tank. But
Gugan?
I am every day never closing.
Gugan, can you see some desert ride cars?
Yes.
Beach. Nearby we seen somewhere else desert ride cars and all. Gugan want to see that desert ride cars.
The black languster, I think so. is
Father
white.
not buy now. It takes so long time. Father need to do many hard
know.
work. It's
iPhone
not be.
11.
It's a big task to buy for Land Cruiser. Land Cruiser is not
We
reach
all-
to.
we-
It's not very easy to buy.
And this is the fastest off-road car. But my brother drive this car in the desert right beach. It drive
Actually, these cars are available in Sealand Beach. You can drive and you can hire this car. Maybe 50 real, 100 real they are chargeable. Per hour, for hours only they are giving this car. These cars are very speed cars. The brand of car is Polarized.
This is for grown-up car because you see.
Actually,
this
these
car is
engines
so
are four-wheel
small.
drive.
This car is small, then is for children, and this car.
This is not for children. These are big boys. They can drive.
But more dust is there. But we can't drive now because
This cars and all. I think this car is not not work. I think
no, it can't.
it's a scrap car.
Ooh, what is this? Look at this
So broken glass. Don't touch that one.
knife too. Also, this is the way, but this is a boat thing. This is not a boat. Actually, it will hold the boat. This
Actually,
is
this is of a boat trailer
And a
vehicle.
tractor.
When they are take the boat, they put in inside this trailer.
Take the boat, and the boat is so big. It is still this much. I
The
don't
big boats
think-
are they will carry from this trailer. That is the reason they are made separately for the trailer.
And this is a small
Boat does not have wheels, no. Boat will go only in the water.
But one boat is tinier, but that boat is a small boat. And look, fishing thing. Come, let's go this side. Look, the fishing thing. No, this is not fishing thing.
This is for fish nets. It's a big fish catching time. They are going no.
So I can't,
So far away going from boat, they
but
put
I
this
can't,
nets.
but I can't even throw it because I don't know the way how to throw.
I know you are not experienced with the fishing, catching the fish, no.
But when I grow, I will be so strong and I will catch a fish easily. Just take a fishing rod and do like, pich, then got it. Why everybody is going?
Gugan, you seen this boat? Boat is very nice, no.
Oh, this is the boat.
They have this of circle nets are there.
Oh, look at the place.
These boats are very nice, no?
Yes, what
This
is-
fan, why you know? Why they are giving this fan? The ground water
yeah,
make
yeah.
forcibly the motor will run. Then only the boat will move.
What are, this
This is
the-
motor boat.
so hot here. And this is so hot. So hot.
So what?
Because it's so hot.
The steering also is there, Google.
They're the same one. Same. Look at this fish net. We can keep crab in this. Crab can't even peel this. So
Crab we cannot catch. Yeah, crab is that one is it's a big fish catching.
Oh! Look at the biggest boat. Oh, I can even climb in this.
It's a trailer they kept this boat, and the engine also is very big, Gugan.
Ooh,
It's a dual engine. You seen this? Dual fan.
two big engines.
When whiling the driving from steering, the engine will be moved. Then only the direction will be changed.
When I can drive this boat or what?
You have to grow up. Not now.
Oh, Bajaro, see, must we have car? There.
Okay. Come, Gugan. We'll go beach.
Yes.
Friends, don't forget to press subscribe button. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our videos.